Navigating success. Understanding, to chart a course. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that's often used in English, to chart a course. This phrase is not just about navigation on the high seas, it's a powerful metaphor used in various contexts. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples to help you master it in no time. To chart a course originally comes from navigation, where sailors would plot their journey on a map, carefully planning their route from one location to another. However, in everyday language, it's used metaphorically to mean planning a way to achieve a specific goal or outcome. It's about setting a direction or plan for how to proceed with something, whether in life, a project, or a career. Using to chart a course in conversation or writing shows that you're talking about planning or decision-making with a clear goal in mind. It's often used in professional, academic, and personal development contexts. For example, in business, a leader might chart a course for the company's growth over the next decade. In personal development, an individual might chart a course to learn a new language or skill. Remember, the phrase implies a sense of strategy and foresight, highlighting the importance of planning before action. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some sentences. 1. The new CEO is charting a course for the company's expansion into Asian markets. Here, it means the CEO is planning how the company will expand. 2. After graduating, she charted a course to become a top software developer within 5 years. This shows an individual's plan for their career progression. While to chart a course is a versatile phrase, it's important not to confuse it with immediate, short-term actions. It's about long-term planning and strategy, not the steps you take on a daily basis. Also, it's more formal and best used in contexts where strategic planning is discussed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of to chart a course. Remember, it's all about setting a direction for your journey, whether that's a personal goal, a professional project, or anything in between. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. See you in our next video.